message. Holy Spirit, He doesn't care that priest, He doesn't care that pastor or something. Holy Spirit pours the own spirit to the parishioner, to the people, and they go with the message. Holy Spirit message, not priest message, not this pastor's message. They are many times ruthless projects and senseless messages are there in there because they don't have personally prayer, they don't have storage. If you I'll give the very correct example. When Jesus went and Samaritan woman that well, see that the first this well is dug by our Jacob, and that well is very deep. Then you don't have a bucket, so how can you give the water? So same thing in priest and same pastors are they are same things. The mind of people have built and created by God, and their hearts are very deep, and he don't have bucket because he don't have any resources to fetch the water and give to the people. So many times, even all the miracles and all the prayer heard, that is the doing Holy Spirit, not the pastors, not the priest. They are just what is the instrument, and they are sometimes a bridge of 100% they give the message 5 or 10% that reaches to the people. Many people they reaches, and after church they forget the things, they don't carry. So other things I want to speak about common people. Common people are very rarely doing their personal prayer because they are in family, they don't have time. But in offices they got a time. By traveling in bus, so they got a time. In offices when they got a lunch or when they got some pause in their offices, they can think of God. And then in the night when they are got some spare times, they can look from the family and go into the bed, because as they watch the TV and they said that no children should be come in their room, so while they watching news and all the things, so they wanted to be alone. So that's our prayer should be alone, and they should pray alone, because the first our personal prayer is very important. The trusting God is very important. Presence of God is very important. Making God be around us, because God's presence, God's we said solar system. Solar system is around us. God's solar system is around us. Its implications are very among us, around us always, but we don't care, and so God become unhappy. God become very sad. So he lingers our prayer. So I'll give the example. Then Adam and Eve had sinned. There was much time, as a one day or something. So God came in early in the morning into the. So throughout the night or something, God has taken His time. At least one night, 2 nights, 1 month. We don't know, but God has given the space. He came in the morning. So He said that, where Adam, where are you? So he come. Then if you go to Sarah and Adam, Sarah and Adam was 99 to 100 years barren. They were barren. God was listens to them, listens to their prayer 100 years. That is a gap, very big gap. Then I'll come to this Egyptian Hebrews, cruel slavery. They have to wait 430 years. Moses has to wait 80 years, for 80 years, 40 years he was in the palace and 40 years he was in it's a desert area. Then if you go to Daniel has taken from by Cyrus, that Nebuchadnezzar, that king, has taken them to cruel slavery. So he has to wait for at least 40 to 30. He was young. He has to wait at least 40 to 45 years to have education and with doing all the miracles. So many times God gives us the timing. He has our prayers very late. He has got in his timing. So we should wait for God, and we should trust Him very clearly. Very clearly we have to trust Him, and then by in prayer we have to be humble, we have to be silent, and His presence, we should feel His presence, and we should submit our will to Him, and then He will pour His blessing on us. That is what